And now, please join us in giving a warm holiday welcome to Tina and the Sounds of Celebration.
My name is Tina Aldana, and this is the Sounds of Celebration Band. We come from all over Latin America. Guatemala, Mexico, Venezuela, Chile, Texas. And we are all bonded by music. So tonight we're going to take you on this musical journey with all the sounds that we love to hear. Salsa, merengue, cumbia, and flamenco rumba. Are y'all ready to party out there? To quote one of my favorite Cuban artists of all time, Celia Cruz, La vida es un carnaval y las penas se van cantando, which means life is a carnival and we sing our sorrows away. It's a It's a lot of people. Yeah. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Who's ready for Christmas out there? On the count of 3, tell me what you want for Christmas. 1, 2, 3.
Gas money.
Wait, what?
Gas money.
Okay. Okay, well, we'll figure it out.
Gas money!
Everybody say hello to Sebastian Guerrero here from Chile. Sebastian, I have a question for you. First of all, it's his birthday today. Make some noise.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! How does your family like to celebrate Christmas back in Chile? Tell us.
That's really good. Okay, so we actually we're big on food, so empanadas are the way to go.
Empanadas, ooh,
yeah,
that's yummy!
I know, delicious.
We do tamales. Who does tamales out there? Christmas? Another tradition for my familia mexicana is we like to watch Disney movies on Christmas Day. That's what we like to do. And can you guess what is our favorite Disney movie for my familia mexicana to watch?
The Little Mermaid.
Encanto. Aladdin.
Encanto's a good one. Encanto fans, make some noise. There's one more. Who said it? Coco fans, make some noise! Because just like Ernesto de la Cruz says, never underestimate the power of music. Remember me, and though we have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Forever we're far away, I'll hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night you're apart. Where are the Coco fans out there? Recuérdame. To travel far, recuérdame. En mi cantar de regresar, que ahora ya no me vayas a olvidar, que yo contigo siempre on that beautiful Spanish guitar. I love the sound of the Spanish guitar. It's so beautiful. Do you guys agree? You can hear the beautiful sounds of the Spanish guitar in many Latin genres out there. It's a staple sound for us in Latin America. You can hear the Spanish guitar in Latin pop, mariachi, and my favorite, flamenco rumba. Make some noise.
así, de esta manera. No tiene la culpa. Amor de compra y venta, amor del pasado. Ven, véndelen, véndelen, ven, véndelen, véndelen. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. No le encuentro la banda, haré imposible, no te encuentro de verdad. Por eso un día no encuentro así de nada. Lo mismo ya que ayer, lo pienso en ti. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así.
Now give it up for Sebastian on those vocals. Woo! Woo! And now it is time to pay tribute to La Reina de Tex-Mex. Where are all the Selena fans out there tonight?
All right, we're gonna need your help with this next song. We're gonna do a countdown, starting with cuatro, and after cuatro is tres, after tres is dos, after dos is uno. And we're ready. Here we go.
Now, come on.
Cuatro, tres, dos, and uno.
Ese error, ese error, ese error, ese
Vasconcelos de ayer. All the Selena fans, all is for you. Make some noise, Selena fans! Muchas gracias, thank you. And now our next stop on this musical journey is to the sounds of merengue. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, I have an idea. How about we teach everybody? Is there a lot of people out there?
Oh yeah, no, there's a lot of people.
Make some noise.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of people out there. And we're going to teach you guys a merengue dance step.
Okay.
And then we all can dance together. Is that cool?
Let's do
Yeah,
it.
that's perfect for that middle section
All right.
right there. All right, we're gonna start with our left foot. We're gonna cross it over.
Got it.
Step out with the right.
Got it.
Over with the left.
Oh, no,
Together with the
sorry.
right.
I need that one more,
Okay.
one more
Cross
time.
over with the left.
Perfect, got
Step
it.
out with the right.
No, those are
And back together.
Nail the landing.
A little bit faster.
Faster,
Wait,
faster.
I'm not ready.
Five, six, 7, 8.
Cross, step out together. Cross,
Okay.
step out.
Okay, I just had to get out of my own head. That was crazy. Okay. Yeah, they're getting it right off the bat. My goodness.
You guys got
We're all ready
it.
to try it.
I think you guys are ready.
We're ready.
Are you guys ready to try it out? Here we go. Vamos a bailar.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, bésame, bésame, suave, bésame otra vez. Suave, yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Besa, besa, bésame un poquito. Besa, 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 bésame otro ratito. Dámelo. Venga, eso, Cuando tú me besas, me siento en el aire. Por eso cuando te veo, comienzo a besarte. Y si te despegas, yo me despierto de ese rico sueño que me dan tus besos suavemente. Bésame, que yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez suavemente. Ese coro, bésame, de la cosa, yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Bésame suavecito, sin prisa y con calma. Dame un beso bien profundo que me llega al alma. Dame un beso más que mi boca cabe. Dame un beso despacito, dame un beso suave, suavemente. Bésame, que yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez suavemente. Ese coro, bésame, de la cosa, yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Bésame. Cógelo, cógelo. Let's take this up a notch, shall we? Here we go. Suave.
Put your hands together. We're having a good time.
Oh yeah.
Everybody's in such a good mood out there. Woo. First of all, get up to those dancers. You guys look good out there. You do. You do.
Showing me up.
Are y'all ready for the holidays?
Oh yeah.
It's my favorite time of year inside of Disney California Adventure. Is it your favorite time of year too?
Yeah!
There's all the yummy treats out there, the Christmas decorations. Everybody say hello to Diego here from Mexico. Diego, how does your family like to celebrate Christmas back in Mexico?
Hey Tina, we love dancing the whole night.
Oh nice.
I love dancing. How about you, Alejandro Blanco from Venezuela?
We eat a lot of traditional food.
Traditional food is all about the food. How about you, John Paul Batista from El Paso, Texas?
I love to hang out with my Teague family listening to Christmas music. Yeah!
Okay, I love Christmas music. I really do. Do you guys like Christmas music out there? Wait, can I sing my favorite Christmas song for you guys? Can I? I promise you guys are gonna know it. It's on the radio like every 5 minutes. And And then, when you know the song, you sing along with me. Is that cool? Promise?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Oh, no, that's not it.
Okay,
that's
I'm sorry.
It's in the
I'll
notes.
let you-
They're
I'll
gonna
let
know
you
it. They're gonna know it. All right, here we go. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know, and make my wish come true. Is everybody we're ready for Christmas now?
Yeah! We're in the spirit for sure.
Now, do you know what you want for Christmas? We have some time to think. On the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3.
A pony. The only one that answered too.
You want a pony?
I know, a pony. I know. It's a reasonable request. Okay.
We'll see about that. We'll see. We'll see what I can get you this year. Let's ask Philip Ruiz what he wants. Everybody say hello to Philip here from Spain.
What's up, Philip?
Phil, you look really nice today.
Thank you.
You're fine. You look good.
You look so amazing. Doesn't she look like a Disney princess? Come on,
This is why I hire you. I'm just so lucky. Okay, tell us. What do you want for Christmas this year?
What?
What?
I don't think I don't think I'm getting anything for Christmas.
Oh, what? Okay, but why are you not getting anything for Christmas?
I can't say her. Next song.
No,
next song.
One, two, three. We're all familiar here. You can tell us, Phil, why are you on the naughty list?
Oh.
30-minute show. Let's go.
Say it louder, louder. Louder.
I ate all of Santa's cookies last year, okay? Is that what's running out? You want to know that? Is that want to bring me down?
It's okay. We all make mistakes. We all make mistakes.
I'm not even.
It's fine. I know how to cheer Phil up. First of all, give him a lot of love. Come on, Phil.
Thank you.
The other thing that'll cheer him up is, I know this guy knows how to dance, and he loves to dance. You want to dance?
Oh, I love to dance.
Vamos a bailar todos. Come on, y'all. Let's do it together. Here we go.
What song is this? Oh, I know. You know it. That's Thank you all so much for celebrating with us tonight. Yes. We hope your holiday season is filled with happiness, love, and unity.
And remember, no matter where you're from, no matter how you celebrate, we want to wish you and your family a very, very holiday season. Make some noise for Christmas, y'all! Yeah. Ole, ole. Ole, ole. Ole, oh.
Let's hear it again for Tina and the Sounds of Celebration.